Now, on the last 15 on 15, I ventured to the beach with local chef Aruban to gather seawater and forage banana reefs to cook up a traditional dish. Today, we show you the finished product. In case you missed it, I went on an adventure with Chef Aruban to the beach to get seawater, as well to pick up a few twigs of banana de reef for a local dish called pisca tempera. Back at the kitchen table, Chef Cruz shows us the cleaning process for the ingredients. The seawater must be filtered. The banana de reefs must go through two cleansing process. First, it must be placed in warm water. Afterwards, cold. Afterwards, the putting together of the dish may begin. The blue sea gel you see here is made from the seawater. Blue curacao was added after infusing the sea oil with limes and other ingredients for 4 hours. Chef Cruz carefully places every ingredient on the small piece of fish, including the banana de reefs. Plating is a significant process for the chef. He explains.
Why plating? Because people eat first with the eye. And if they see it looks delicious, then maybe it's gonna taste delicious. So if you have both combos, so eye and flavors, then it's a complete dish. And as a chef, and you want to express yourself also as an artist. And this is our way of expressing who we are.
Although looking good is important, at the end of the day, it is all about the taste. Chef Aruban doesn't only add local ingredients from Aruban just for show. They have to enhance the flavor of the dish as well.
First is flavor. For example, you can see all our dishes are beautifully prepared and beautifully plated, but first we think of the flavors. What can we do with these flavors? So, for example, when we make a dish for a kitchen table and also for my other restaurant and White, we first put one item as a priority. And what can we enhance that item with different flavors? So we thought of the fish sausage with the glaze on top. And what can we enhance it with? Instead of putting salt on it, what can we do? So we added the banana de reef, the seawater, and instead of putting salt, we infuse seawater for more aromatic flavors. So that's also an additive for the salt components instead of adding salt.
Aruba's local cuisine is a huge inspiration to Chef Cruz. Currently at the kitchen table, each of their 7-course menu is an item you can find at food trucks. This is a great experience for locals as well as tourists.
This month our menu is inspired by Aruban street food. So we have pisca tempera, you get it at the food trucks. We have sopa de oyster, that's oyster soup that you get on the food trucks. And we have steak basket that you get on the food trucks. We have a duck dish, and you have Johnny cakes that you also get on food trucks. So by getting all these ideas what you eat at food trucks and changing them and have still the similar flavors that you love when you go to a food truck, that's our goal. But to let not only the locals but mostly the tourists, because when you come to a Caribbean island, that's what you want to eat, the Caribbean or local food.
I personally tasted the dish myself, and I have to tell you, you could really flavor the natural saltiness from the banana de reefs and salt water. The flavors were absolutely fantastic. The kitchen table is located inside the Blue Residences, so if you'd like to taste those local typical Aruban dishes but made gourmet, call 528-7015 for more information.